Conveying video stories on the internet is one of my favorite things to do. And there are thousands of people around the globe who want to get into making good quality videos. And for most beginners, a good phone camera is decent enough to begin their creative journey. But if you're looking to bring your videos to the next level, you need a good camera that doesn't put a dent in your pocket. So here it is. This is the review of probably the best budget camera for your YouTube channel in 2022. And it is the Canon M50 Mark 1. Alright, the first thing I want to talk about is its design and its form factor. This camera is a tiny beast. I've been using the camera for a little over a year now, and believe me, I really appreciate the size of this. I can easily throw this in my backpack, take it out, and record moments. Like this one moment when me and my family was in Dubai and we were near the dancing fountains. I do not know the name of that. And the song Skyfall by Adele was playing. It was just beautiful, and I really appreciate the compactness of this camera. I always have the microphone connected to the camera, and well, I just feel like the camera is sort of naked if it doesn't have a mic on it. And well, it actually saved my ass a lot of times because I record a lot of podcasts and things may go wrong sometimes. And if that happens, I always have a backup microphone to rely on, and this backup really saved my day. Canon has absolutely perfected its design language with this camera. The buttons and knobs feel tactile, and each part of the camera just works flawlessly. And that's the reason why Canon M50 Mark II looks like the Canon M50 Mark I, because it's perfect. As a beginner in the filmmaking world, I didn't really know a lot about shooting manual, tweaking around with apertures and ISOs and all kinds of things. It was just too daunting. And I just want to say this camera is for anyone who wants to put that step into the filmmaking world and doesn't want this task to be too daunting. You could just shoot full auto in the beginning and then tweak around, trial and error through all of the settings. That's what I did, and it just made a lot of difference. So talking about that difference, I will tell you how much of a difference you can make by just playing around the settings and tweaking the things around in your setup. Just have a look at the difference between these two videos, shot on the same camera and the same lens. This is my video from a year ago. No color grade, no lighting, just pure auto, and this is now, where I've tweaked the settings a little bit, applied color grading, used professional lighting, and established a proper vibe to the setup. All of this took me a year to perfect, and I haven't even scratched the surface yet. All in all, this camera provides a good platform to learn filmmaking or start vlogging. I think that's what the camera is intended for. Beginners getting into making videos. To be honest, no one really cares, but if you do, here it is. On to the next sequence. I've used this camera to record almost all of the stuff on this channel. So we're talking A-roll, B-roll, and vloggy A-rolls, almost everything. I'll be putting each of everything so you get a clear idea how the camera performs even after 1.5 years. Many of you may also be questioning me why I haven't compared this to the M50 Mark II. Well, I've made a detailed comparison that I want you to see, and here it is. Sorry for that, but I was actually not kidding. There is literally no differences between these two, and you can get any one of this to get the same quality video. You'll probably be finding more of Mark IIs because they're the newer stock, but there's no difference apart from that. Actually, I think there is one, but it's not the one that you're expecting. As Canon M50 Mark I is kind of an older camera at this point, you can find a good used Mark I on Craigslist, eBay, or OLX. Believe me, there are some amazing deals out there. I bought mine used and it saved me a lot of money, so go for that. And there are a lot of Mark I's in the quantity and less of Mark II's in the used market. So yeah, I'm just slipping my words. Alright, wrapping up, the Canon M50 Mark I is an amazing camera for its price, and I highly recommend it to anyone who's looking to up their YouTube game. This camera, this tiny camera, has led me to opportunities that I could not even imagine, and I do not talk in terms of just YouTube. It has opened opportunities to collaborations that I didn't even think I would ever get, and it has led me to paid opportunities in my freelance career. It has opened a lot of gates, and yeah, this camera, I just want to say thank you, man. That's getting cringy now. With that said, if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you soon in the next video, that is the Saturday Cheese podcast, which I'm really excited for. And have a nice day or night. Take care now. Bye-bye.